In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app, and then scroll down until you are in the section called System, which should be at the bottom. Within here, scroll down again until you see the option called Language, and select this. You can now choose the new language you want from the list, and then to set this, you will need to choose Restart, and allow the console to start up again. When it does, it should be in the new language. That's how to change the language on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.